that wasn't about to happen. I'm sitting there and I heard God clearly say, leave. I'm like, God, this cannot be you. I'm 3 months pregnant. Are you kidding me?
Widow now 16 years, but I'm not whining. I'm a widow, but I'm not whining.
He was holding me. Nothing could stop my praise.
So I started on Monday, and I walked in and the Holy Spirit said, I didn't tell you to get this job.
You got to make, it's 1 to 2 decisions. Either you stay there and you suffer and then you probably will die because your blood pressure is up.
Oh, wow.
Or you leave and do what you really want to do.
Let freedom fill the room. Let's go, Taylor. Put your hands on the jaw.
So through Dr. Grant's leadership and through my experience in FLIM, I learned that there is, in fact, a consultant fee that needs to be applied when you want to consult with me, whether it is about a class or whether it is about putting together a conference, whether it's about me being a moderator at your event.